Will there be any yodeling in heaven? That is what I'd like to know. There can't be any wrong in just singing a song. And yodeling, 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 yodeling. Will there be any yodeling in heaven? In the heavens above, will they sing the songs we love while they yodeling, yodeling? As I climb those golden stairs way up yonder, life's journey on this earth is o'er. As I cross the great divide, will they welcome me inside with my yodeling, 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 yodeling? Will there be any yodeling in heaven? As I cross the great divide, will they welcome me inside with my yodeling, yodeling? As I head for that last great roundup, to meet that great ranger on high, in my heart there'll be a song as I greet that heavenly throng with my yodeling, 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 yodeling. Will there be any yodeling in heaven? Will they play their harps for me and sing old time harmony while I